Hello, all. Law relating to customs and foreign exchange. This is the new subject in semester 2. LLM. The first question is silent features of FEMA and FERA. Differences. Introduction to FEMA and FERA. Regulate foreign exchange and cross border transactions. FERA enacted in 1973, FEMA in 1999. FERA was restrictive, FEMA is more liberal. FEMA replaced FERA for smoother foreign transactions. Foreign Exchange Regulation Act FERA enactment and objective enacted in 1973 to control foreign exchange, aim to protect India's foreign exchange reserves. Silent features basic list diagram shows strict control over foreign exchange, authorization requirement, regulated capital flow, penalties for violation, foreign investment and technology transfer, control on foreign assets. Strict control over foreign exchange, stringent regulations on foreign transactions, authorization requirement, RBI authorization mandatory for all transactions, regulated capital flow, tight control on capital inflows and outflows, penalty for violation, criminal penalties including imprisonment and fines, foreign investment and technology transfer, strict restrictions on foreign investments, control on foreign assets, residents banned from holding foreign assets. Case law example State of Maharashtra versus RR Dalmia, prosecution for unauthorized foreign exchange dealing. Case background RR Dalmia accused of misappropriating UCO bank funds. Primary issue, could Dalmia be prosecuted for criminal breach of trust? Applicable law section 409 IPC addresses breach by bankers or agents. Allegations misuse of position to personally benefit, causing significant losses. Court stands chairman role included fiduciary duty under criminal breach laws. Dalmia's argument claimed actions fell within corporate governance, not criminal domain. Key legal principle, bank officials' misuse can trigger criminal trust breach charges. Judgment, Supreme Court held Dalmia liable for criminal misconduct. Impact case reinforced accountability of corporate officials for fiduciary breaches. Precedent influence future judgments on corporate misappropriation and trust breaches. FEMA enactment and objective enacted in 1999 to manage foreign exchange, aims to facilitate foreign trade payments, silent features, liberalization, framework, easier foreign exchange transactions than FEMA, focus on economic and national interest, encourages healthy foreign exchange market, no punishment for violation, civil penalties, no criminal punishment, RBI control, RBI retains control but less restrictive, facilitation of capital account transactions, allows investment loans with RBI guidelines, easing of restrictions on foreign investment, promotes foreign direct investment FDI, external commercial borrowing ECB, permits foreign loans under RBI guidelines. Case law, Director of Enforcement versus Hindustan Steel. Case background, Hindustan Steel accused of violating FERA. Primary issue, whether mere violation entails penalty without proving deliberate intent. Applicable law, FERA regulates foreign exchange, aiming to prevent economic offenses. Allegations, Hindustan Steel imported goods without requiring foreign exchange permissions. Defense argument, Hindustan Steel claimed the violation was unintentional and inadvertent. Courts focus examined if unintentional breaches justified penalties under FERA. Key legal principle mens rea or criminal intent is vital for penalties. Judgment Supreme Court held penalties need intent, unintentional errors spared. Impact reinforced need for proving intent in regulatory offense penalties. Precedent influenced leniency in penalizing unintentional regulatory law violations. Key differences are as follows. The enactment year main focus was on control foreign exchange, facilitate foreign exchange. The nature of law was restrictive and liberal penalties, criminal penalties, and civil fines control. RBI strict control, less restrictive foreign investment limited, promoted FDI, capital transactions limited, allowed with guidelines, flexible, rigid, and flexible. Examples of FERA are FERA provide examples of differences are FERA prior approval for foreign investments, FEMA liberal investment with minimal restrictions. Real life examples and case laws example of FEMA in practice allows foreign companies to invest easily. Case law FEMA versus FERA City NA. Citibank NA versus RBI shift from control to felicitation. Example of FERA enforcement unauthorized transactions leading to criminal charges. Conclusion FERA restrictive and penalty driven, FEMA liberal and management focused, transaction needed for global market integration. FEMA promotes foreign capital and business growth. Both laws shape India's foreign exchange policies. FERA and FEMA differ in managing foreign exchange. FERA imposed stringent controls on transactions. FERA violations were treated as criminal offenses. FEMA introduced a relaxed regulatory approach. FEMA focuses on economic growth and investment. Transition to FEMA modernized India's economy. Shift aimed to align with globalization needs. FEMA created a flexible, business friendly environment. It enabled India's integration into global markets. Both laws still shape India's exchange policies.